Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to another video. So in this one we will be deep cleaning the kitchen. Yes, I'm going to be cleaning some of the typical areas, but for the most part I'm focusing on those areas that I don't clean on a regular basis for my deep clean spring cleaning series. So let's get through it. But as you know, we are starting off with all the mess because this is real life and my kids and family live here. So I'm going to straighten up as much as I can and then we'll get into the deep cleaning. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We have fun. We do lots of cleaning, lots of organization, lots of motivation. So I really think you'll enjoy the channel. So it's in the morning and of course I had to start the day off with making the kids some breakfast. So they just had some French toast, tater tots, of course, because they love that, and some strawberries. I had a bowl of oatmeal and blueberries and of course a handful of tater tots. It's all about balance. So I was influenced and I did buy the Dawn Power Wash cleaning spray. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm still trying it out, so I'm not going to give my opinion just yet, because if I give my initial opinion, I wasn't that impressed. But I've tried it on some different things and I'm like, so I said, let me give it a fair chance and I'll let you guys know how I like it. So I'll share why I didn't initially love it. I think it's because I was using it to wash dishes and I feel like you have to use a whole lot of it on your dishes. Maybe you're supposed to spray it and let it sit for a while, but once the water runs on the soap, I feel like it just washes it right off before you can actually clean the dish. So I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but like I said, I'm still testing it out, so I will let you guys know. I am trying to make my way around all the windows in my house because they are filthy. We do plan on replacing all of these blinds, but you guys know me, I'm never in a rush, and plus my son still likes to play with the blinds and break them. So before I buy something nice, I want him to get out of this phase. But yeah, this window seal and windows were just as dirty as the one in my bedroom, so we are going to be cleaning those as well. I only showed you guys the corner of the window because the sun was so bright you couldn't see any of the other parts, but I promise you the entire window sill looked just like that corner. Now that the sun has moved from directly in the window, you'll be able to see it a little bit better when I show the after shot. Now you guys already know that I'm in love with my handheld steam cleaner. I did find out from one of my subscribers that they sell them on Amazon. This the same exact one is cheaper than the Bissell, even though the Bissell is not expensive, but I will link it below if I can find it. So as you can see, the windowsill is nice and clean. In that corner and where I'm pointing now is actually paint from the outside of the house. Obviously, when they were painting the siding, they got a little bit in the windowsill. So of course that part I couldn't clean up. I guess I could have scraped it, but it's not that big of a deal to me. So I wanted to thank all you lovely ladies who have been giving me compliments on my shape. You guys know I do love to work out. I'll be honest, I have been slipping a little bit lately, but I always get back. A couple of you have been asking me for workout routines. I'm very hesitant of posting things like that on this channel because I know a lot of people are not interested in that, and it kind of hurts the channel when you post things and people don't watch it. But if you are really interested in that, let me know and I'll probably post it on my vlog channel. So now I'm moving on to cleaning the kitchen table. This is not really part of my deep cleaning. You guys know I clean my kitchen table every time I clean the kitchen, but today is no different. I am going to be deep cleaning the kitchen, but I am going to clean everything, or mostly everything that needs to be cleaned in there as well. I'm just using a little bit of Awesome Spray. It's one of my favorites. Of course, I got to put a YouTube video on to keep me company and entertained, and a little bit of my lemon oil to shine the table when I'm done. So this is what the floors were looking like after everyone was done eating and cleaning off the window sills. There's food, crumbs, dirt, all types of stuff. So I'm going to vacuum that up now. Someone asked me where I got this duster from. I got mine from Aldi, but I do think they have it on Amazon, so I will link it. And I also saw it this weekend at Home Goods while I was there. I'm just not really about that hands and knees life. I will get down, obviously, if there's a stain and I need to clean it with some cleaner, but for dust, no ma'am. Remember, I live a guilt-free life and this is a judge-free zone, so do not judge me for the amount of dust that is up here. There's a very funny story to this. It actually is a lot better on camera than it was in real life. I was kind of embarrassed by the layer of dust and dirt that was up there. But in my defense, I did make an attempt to go up there and clean it probably 3 years ago when I first bought the house. And I swear to you, I could have sworn I saw a mouse skeleton up there. Of course, I asked my husband, could he go up there and get it so I could clean up there. It took him about 3 years to finally do it. Or rather, I reminded him and he did it today. And come to find out, there was no mouse skeleton up there. He says I made it up because I didn't want to clean. But I went up there to clean. So why would I go up there? I just wouldn't go up there if I didn't want to clean. I don't know what happened to the mouse skeleton. I swore I saw one. Or maybe I didn't and I imagined it. I don't know what happened. But I'm cleaning it now. After vacuuming up there, because it was that thick, I had to vacuum first. I did go back with my awesome spray just to kind of clean it off so it was clean. Now maybe I'll decorate up there since it's not like 6 feet of dust. This is really a shame. This vacuum cleaner was completely empty before I started it. I cleaned it out before I even vacuumed the kitchen floor, and that's how much dirt was up there. So since my garbage can bins actually sit inside the stainless steel container and the actual garbage doesn't go in there, it wasn't dirty at all. There were some crumbs that escaped, so I just vacuumed that out. And now I'm going to clean the lids. Now this is from obviously garbage and paint, pink paint that my daughter got on the garbage can maybe sometime last year, and no one wiped it off. Of course, the recycle bin is just not as dirty as the garbage can, but I'm going to use my awesome spray again and just clean off the lids. And I was happy to say that it actually got that paint off. Again, I get my awesome spray from the Dollar Tree and I swear it's the best cleaner ever. So did you guys learn how to properly put a garbage bag in from TikTok as well? Apparently you're supposed to just open it up on top of the garbage can and push it in like I just did. I was today years old when I learned that on TikTok and from the cleaning mamas on YouTube who's doing that now. So as you saw earlier, the kids were in the backyard playing, and my husband was out there cleaning the pool and cleaning the grill, kind of cleaning up in the backyard as well. So he decided to make some hamburgers and hot dogs for lunch. So now I'm getting around to mopping the floors. I did pour a little Fabuloso in there, but since I'm deep cleaning, I wanted to add a little bit of bleach so we could really disinfect. So I did that, and I'm just going to mop all the floors. So I'll share with you a couple of things that I did off camera because it just needed to be done, and it's not really part of the deep cleaning, but I did wipe off the countertops, wipe off the cabinets and the appliances. And a couple of you ladies have been asking me when I'm going to get to the playroom. I promise you I'm going to get to the playroom, but I have to do so much decluttering in there. I have to have a lot of energy for it. I'm just not ready yet. So the last thing I wanted to do in the kitchen was finally declutter under my kitchen sink. It is ridiculous down there. To be honest with you, I didn't even realize I had that much stuff in there. So I pulled everything out, wiped it down, just kind of get an idea of what I had, and I'll show you what I did next. So when I got to this point, I realized I didn't have a lot of things to throw away. I actually use all of this stuff, so I couldn't make it all neat and cute because I refused to get rid of something that I was going to use just for the sake of making it look pretty on YouTube. So my goal is to get through all of these products, to stop buying so many products at one time, and then I can really organize under my kitchen cabinet the way I want to in the future. Thank you so much if you got to this point of the video for watching the whole thing. You are the real MVP. To my loyal subscribers, you guys know I love you to death. And if you are new here and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I make plenty of cleaning motivation videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.